you can watch the version before this. This was modernized in 1986 on Hämeenkatu to 20th speed to the undefeated effect route 2024. Must have been modernized also in 2021. British 1976 at the gate again. But the old shaft doors was the original.
Yeah.
Because the side versions was in the 8 grams. And this was, no, it was Kone originally. So this is universation from 1976. But for the information of the old one, the old years, you have to watch the previous video.
Yeah.
It was built into 1936, I think, or was 1986. Set up nice button. Yeah, also here in Tampere, Tampere first big Hämeenkatu, Finland. The shaft doors are very beautiful.
Yeah.
The staircase itself is very beautiful, of course. The old version had these MP8 directional arrows, but there was no acoustic German.
Yeah. It is pretty kiva. It's maintained by Kone. That's